Alright, so today is Father's Day, and we're going to be fixing the brakes. We're going to fix the brakes, we're going to take it for a spin. Boom. Alright, so the Arizona heat. That Arizona heat, baby, killed my battery. So I'm trying to jump it right now. Got the fan. Figure, hey, might as well keep it cool. And maybe take this bad boy for a spin. Boom! Had it out here charging for a while now. Let's see. It's still yellow. Not too hot. Let's see if it'll fire up. Alright, hook the battery back up. Let's see how dead this thing is. Oh, it fired up, but the battery came disconnected. Alright, let's try this again. Tighten it up a little bit. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. It's not enough. I don't know if you saw, but I could see this smoking. Alright, got it back on the charger. It was close, but definitely need a new battery. Huh? You want in the truck? Is that what you want? You ready to work on this beast? Alright, so I'm guessing the reason I still have some air in the brakes is because I didn't get the back ones. So I'm going to see if I can get those to break loose so I can bleed them. Boom. Break it loose with the wrench. So now I just got to finish it. The hole's not working, so I'm just going to pull it out. That's one way to do it. So I let that bleed out a little bit. Now let's pump the brakes. Wow. I actually have brakes now. Alright, let's go try the other side. So this one was kind of funny. This was actually one of the tougher ones to get off. But it was the only one where the valve actually worked once I loosened it. So I got them all bled now. Not really the traditional way, but got them all bled. Hey, what's up, Pooch? One really good important thing to remember. I did notice this stuff drains out faster than you think. If you're doing it yourself, just make sure you don't let the fluid go all the way empty. So just keep an eye on that. Recharged up, so I put this bad boy back on. Let's see if it goes. Hey, hey, what are you destroying my truck for? Crazy animal. Alright, let me see. Got it started. Let's test out the brakes a little bit. Alright, let's see if this bad boy stops. brake works at all. It does, barely though. Still got to work on that. And the brake light is lit up. I'm assuming from the e-brake, so I have to figure out how to fix that. Wow, I can't believe how well they work now. But it just goes to show you, you know, I know enough about cars, but I don't know everything about cars. I don't know a lot about cars. If I can fix this, you can. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. I'm so stoked on this. Now I just got to figure out this e-brake. See, if I hold it right now, it'll stay. But it's not clamping on the top. Alright, boom. Alright, so with it being Father's Day, I got a really cool gift from Greece. I got a Frankenstein shifter. What? Yes. Honestly, really impressed with the quality with this thing too. Like, the details are really good. I'm pretty stoked. So I'm gonna put that on right now. working, but it looks like it is, and it's in line with the stock one too. So it's pretty awesome. If I could fix that door rattle.
It's me. It's just because it's not closed all the way. It's too hot to close all the way.
Definitely some truth to that. So make sure and like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate the fact you guys watch. Hopefully you find this as fun as I do, but you should definitely get a project vehicle. It's a great outlet. It's a great way to have fun. Boom. Get it.